Kato, you way too dope, kid.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and it's a hot pink look. I absolutely loved this look when I had it on. I literally didn't want to take it off. So if you guys want to know how I completed this look, just keep on watching. First, I'm starting out with this dark pink from my NYX palette, and I'm just putting that on my outer crease and just packing that in. Next, I'm taking this dark brown from my Purr palette, and I'm just gonna deepen that crease a little bit and add a little bit of color. So as you can see, that's really defining the pink. Next, I'm gonna create a cut crease using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm literally just using the tip that comes with the concealer and just creating my cut crease and being as careful as possible, trying to follow the shape of my eye. Alright, so I'm going into my Purr palette again, and I'm going to take this hot pink, and I'm going to apply that all over the part that I cut the crease. And I'm just going to pack that color in, make sure it's nice and vibrant, because you really want to see the color. And I loved this pink, like I'm obsessed. I was so obsessed when the look was done. I absolutely love it. Right here, I'm just taking my NYX matte eyeliner, and I'm just gonna create a skinny cat eye, not too skinny, but not too thick. So I'm just gonna create my regular cat eye just to line my the look and make it look a little bit better.
Kato, you way too dope, kid. Kato, you way too dope, kid.
And guys, if you haven't noticed already, this is my new trick to having a flawless foundation. I'm gonna apply my Sacha Buttercup setting powder on my the places that I usually put my concealer, basically. And this just makes my foundation turn out very flawless. Like this is my secret. So right now I'm just putting on my Juvia's Place foundation on top of that setting powder. And that, I don't know, it just makes the foundation turn out flawless. I don't know what it is, what it does, but it just does. So I'm gonna keep doing it. But yeah, I'm just blending out that foundation, making sure it's nice and seamless. And I also got a beauty blender just to make sure it's like really blended out and nice and flawless.
Kato, you way too dope, kid.
Next, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to now conceal my dark circles and all that good stuff. Yeah, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Always make sure that your beauty blender is damp so it can just turn out flawless on your face. Having a damp beauty blender just makes it blend and stick better to your skin. So it's very important that your beauty blender is damp, okay? Wow, y'all. Y'all see that skin? Do y'all see that skin? I don't think y'all see that. But right now I'm just setting my face with my Juvia's Place setting powder. It's in the shade Gobi. I love this setting powder. And I'm setting all the places that I put the concealer. And I'm really just tapping it in. I'm not really baking it. I'm just literally just trying to like tap it in. Not to put too much, but just put the right amount. If that makes sense. You'll know once you do it. Next, I'm taking my NYX bronzer and I'm just going to bronze up my face. Make sure it, just give it a little bit of life because it looks white with the powder and the bronzer just gives it that definition, So you really want to make sure you do this. And then I'm just blending out all that extra powder off my face, making sure everything is nice and seamless. Okay, so now I'm going into my Purr palette again, and I'm taking this sparkly purple color, and I'm just gonna put that on my waterline. This is just gonna add a little pop of color. I was gonna do pink again, but I'm like, that'll be like too much pink. So I decided to use like another color, and it came out pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, but I think it's pretty cute. I just applied some mascara, and now I'm just gonna apply my what is this called? Dang. Blush. Okay, blush. I applied my blush. And today I decided to use a purple highlight. So I'm using this purple highlight from Artist Couture. And it's super cute. Look at it. It's so cute. It gives it like a subtle, nice little subtle highlight. So I like that. Next, I'm going to apply some lip liner. This is by NYX. It's just a brown lip liner by NYX. And I'm going to line my lips with that. And I'm going to do my classic nude lipstick. And that's really all I did, guys. It's complete. That's it. Let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comments. I completely am in love with this pink. Like I told you, I didn't want to wipe it off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Love you.